welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's vlog. Guys, you can see that I have a lot of things going on in the background. I'm at my parents' house. Today is a beautiful Monday, but a very rainy Monday afternoon. It's been raining since morning non-stop. Today is a very exciting day because today is a day that my brother comes into the country again, this time with our Yahoo. Okay, so they're coming in today, and I'm so excited because I get to meet Latoya for the very first time, and I'm so excited. My dad has met her before. I met her parents, but my mom also will be her first time meeting her. Her parents will be coming in 2 days from now, but herself, my brother, my auntie based in the US, her partner, his daughter, and 1 or 2 other people are coming in today, same flight. I'm so excited, guys. Like, it's getting real. Shit is getting real though. So we are just about to head out to the airport. My dad has already gone ahead, but I'll be going with my mom right about now. Guys, this is so exciting. You guys saw my brother about 3 months ago, 3.5 months ago, when he came to Nigeria after about 2 years. So he'll be back today, and it's just so exciting, guys. This wedding is literally 6 days away, or 5 days away at this point. And yeah, guys, anyways, let's start getting ready. We need to head to the airport in a bit, okay?
You not begin find my mouth. I not begin find my mouth.
Oh my god. The mother of the group.
Yeah, so you said I should be calm. So
Yeah,
I'm trying to be calm.
please be calm, dear.
I'm trying to be calm. I'm trying not to let anybody
Annoy you this week.
I'm just trying to be calm.
Yes.
I'm trying to maintain.
Yes, please maintain, I beg.
I'm trying to maintain.
Yes, so
It's my son's wedding.
yes, so
I don't want any negative energy around me.
yes, so we don't want. So how excited are you to meet Latoya finally for the first time?
I'm excited.
Yeah.
I'm really excited to meet her. Because I haven't met her.
Yeah. But she's a sweetheart.
Yeah.
She is a sweet one.
She's a sweet girl. She's
So,
a very sweet girl. So I'm excited
yeah. And also to see your sister.
to see my beloved sister. The last time I saw her was 2017 when I went to the US.
Oh, that was the last
My
time.
beloved
It's been a
sister.
while.
And the last time she came to Nigeria was your wedding.
Was my wedding 2016.
2016.
Yeah, so it's like awesome
Then
to see her.
2017 I went and I spent some time with her. But that was the last time I saw my sister.
Aww.
But we're on the phone every day, so
Every single
it's just as
day.
if she's next door.
Like really.
to New Jersey, your eyes saying I'll be worried. You said it was nothing, but I knew you get buried. The sorrow.
Hi, Uncle Dave. Hi, Uncle Dave. Hi.
How are you?
Auntie. Auntie. Hi. Look at my sweetie. My sis. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. What's up? Hi. Hello.
Where's your hand luggage? Where's your hand luggage? See there. You left it alone?
I'm so happy to see you. She even branded her bag.
Yes, no.
Mrs. Oh. Mrs. Yes. Yes. Ooh, Mrs. Okay, let's see the bag. Mrs. Ojibanda. Okay. I've been holding camera since. Good to see you. Welcome back. Okay.
I didn't see you when I came in.
Hi, my soldier. Hi, my soldier. See them. Another one. Facing her daughter-in-law for the first time. That's my daughter. Yes. Yes. And Tim. Uncle Dave. Wow.
Miss Bertha.
We are here.
Welcome to Nigeria. Welcome to Nigeria.
She was like on the motherland. Yes! Yes! Oh, first time meeting her. It's not the first time. Oh, hi. Oh, I'm so happy. Hey, 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 hey. First time in Africa, Uncle Dave. Aww, aww. Chucky. What's the P? What's the P, y'all? Mr. Austin, what's up? I'm personal security officer.
If you know what Austin has done for me.
I know. I know.
When I was in this country.
I know.
When SARS they hold me up and down.
I know. He always came through. He always came through. That's so.
The sorrow of us. How did we end up here?
We'll hug this 100 times today. Wendy, how are you? This first time in Nigeria, in Africa. Damn. Hey.
You know it's my mom, Charlie. Oh, you know?
That's Charlie.
You don't look like anybody.
Come on. Moi for day.
Okay, where's this?
Hi, sweetie. You love her to Natoya already.
Good to see you. Good to see you. Oh, that's not big boy. That's the one in the UK.
That's my sister, Matt.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Baby.
I'm expecting to see you.
I'm so happy to be here.
You're welcome to Nigeria.
Yes, thank you.
They're laughing at you. Look at him right here too. Are you serious? Hi, Auntie. This is my auntie from the UK. Hi, Auntie.
The next day.
Oh my God. Olivia's fitting her dress. Her ashwebi. You love it, right? Yeah, so pretty.
I love it.
Perfect measurements.
Perfect.
Perfect.
That's what I'm saying.
Wow.
So this for the trad.
Yeah, this is for the trad. A gold one. Okay.
Oh my God. Is perfect.
That's Nigeria for you. We do everything big, big, big. I love this. Yeah, I love this. So beautiful.
Like you.
So pretty. Let's try the gold one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Next dress. Oh,
For the white wedding.
Before the bride.
Before the bride, yeah.
Olivia, who do you think you are?
So pretty.
Wow.
Wait until her dad sees it. He's gonna be screaming.
Olivia.
I love.
Olivia.
Yes.
Olivia. Okay, I am done with you now.
Yeah.
Look at the hair.
Yeah.
I was scared when Auntie was doing my measurements. I was like, make it a little bit looser. And she was like, no, make it tight like that.
Don't cry. Don't cry. Oh my God, Mom. Oh my God. Perfect.
Oh my God.
Oh, and then the. Oh, Mom's gonna cry.
Oh, don't cry, sweetie.
We used to laugh so hard. When did we stop loving?
Today is not even the wedding yet, and we're already dressing her up like it's the wedding.
Let me cry from now, so I don't cry.
Mom, no amendments, nothing.
And
That's
you know
what I'm saying.
You know it's a difference. You know, the dressmaker, the person who made this is my own
Friend, yeah.
Then the person who made Olivia's is my friend's niece. A young lady like you made yours, yeah. Young lady booking. But the person who made this tail.
Woo! Look at that tail, girl. Woo!
Yes.
Woo! Oh my God. Mommy, I can't believe we got the actual fit. Like,
So beautiful. Guys.
That dressmaker.
Oh
she's
my
something else.
God.
I am so sorry that I didn't.
Detail.
The dressmaker. Oh,
Well, this one side.
It's beautiful. Oh my god.
gorgeous.
It's perfect.
Better than what I asked for.
Oh
Okay.
my God. Look at you like a Nigerian bride. Ah! Reception dress fits in. Okay. 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 Hey. 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 Oh, that's perfect.
Oh.
Wait until you see it properly finished with all of the things you're going to put here. It's going to be beautiful.
But
It's going to be
fits
gorgeous.
perfectly.
I love it.
Like, I feel so good in it.
Good.
This
Beautiful.
and the gold one, the blue one is nice too. Just not fit perfect like.
Yeah. Blessing, you finish work. Last. Beat the artistry.
You are amazing.
Aw.
Yeah.
So beautiful. So
I'm ready for the after party now.
Yes. Yes.
When did it all go too far? We don't